Lot 334 przed stanowiskiem 97, proszę poczekać na followa, jest coś w drodze.
Lot 334.
Zero, clear to land runway 60, wind 20 degrees 3 knots.
Attitude lot 640.
I już proszę na zdjęcie.
Dziękujemy, lot 334. Sir, 71 Charlie Echo, any chance to send the ready message for us?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Cross runway 29er via Alpha and continue Alpha 8 holding point runway 3.
Witamy również cross runway 29er, continue Alpha 8 holding point runway 3, lot 651. 7, we're fully ready for sudden push. We're fully ready now, 651.
You don't need to be pushed from stand 37, your status is approved.
Approved, stand modifier 362.
There 7149er ground. Station Alpha.
Approved, place to the Alpha, taking in the new one,
5 door line up runway 33 and wait. November Tower, dzień dobry. Morning line up runway 29 and wait.
Morning, Exile 3022, please line up at 29 Exile.
Brewster Kilo November Grand, Oscar, 815 left.
15 left, that's minus developer. That's 7149er, request.
7149er, tax via Whiskey, left Alpha Echo, holding point exit for runway 29er.
104, wind 280 degrees, 3 knots, runway 33, clear to land, exit 02.
302, 300.
Foxtrot 105, taxi uniform next, Zulu Orange, hold for the bus.
Warszawa, Delta Foxtrot 105 i to taxi uniform Zulu Orange, hold for the bus. Delta Foxtrot 105.
Taxi uniform Kilo Monitor Tower 118.3058, bye-bye.
18305, bye-bye, Turkish 2 uniform Kilo.
Garage 5353, continue Alpha Echo 4, holding point 69. Mike Hotel, giveaway enter, cover left, hold Alpha, contact ground, dziękuję. Fajna. Kiwaja uniform, then Zulu Orange, hold for the Alpha. Foxtrot 105 Tower, dzień dobry, line up runway 29.
Warszawa, Tower, Papa, Foxtrot 105, jest line up Tower, runway 29.
Last flight to Zulu Monitor Tower 118.05, dziękuję.
No i to Tower, odstaje do Zulu.
Malta 938, taxi Alpha Echo for holding.
Fox 4 Echo and Fox Point over 9 with Malta 938.
Fox 105, clear for takeoff, runway 29, runway 310 degrees for north airborne approach, Miguel.
Sorry, Foxtrot 105, came for departure, next approach 12880.
Szanowni Państwo, zwracamy się z uprzejmą prośbą o niepozostawianie bagażu bez opieki na terenie portu lotniczego. Pozostawiony bagaż zostanie usunięty ze względów bezpieczeństwa. Dla Państwa bezpieczeństwa prosimy o zgłaszanie informacji o pozostawionym bagażu do Straży Ochrony Lotniska. Pozostawienie bagażu bez opieki będzie skutkować nałożeniem na właściciela kary grzywny lub mandatu.
Dear passengers, we would like to remind you that you should not leave your bags unattended. Any such baggage will be removed for security reasons. For your safety, please report any suspicious bags to the airport security service. Leaving bags unattended will be subject to a fine.
First 110, left Alpha, Echo Hold. Load 7 by default, behind the rhythm to the right hand side. Kilo uniform, wind 3, blue 034, to 9 clear for takeoff.
The ATK clear, confirm direction of the push?
Think so.
Okay.
Aircraft, dzień dobry, lot 3843, stand 23, request pushback and start up. Shoot 3 ground, dzień dobry, start up, pushback approved, facing south. Start up pushback approved, facing south, lot 3843.
D is requested to proceed to collect it immediately.
Germany 773, wind 330 degrees, 5 knots, runway 29, clear to takeoff. Airborne contact approach 128.805, do usłyszenia. Platforma numer 2 jest kontakt approach 128, decimal 805, dziękuję. 3139 kilo, contact ground 121, decimal 905, goodbye.
Ground 121, 905 today, 31. Oscar right on 90 and to 139 kilo.
3 kilo Lima, monitor tower, runway 305, hey.
17305 kilo 3 kilo Lima.
Lima, Country Tower, witam via Echo 4, line runway 29er, approach.
Runway 29er, approach 3 kilo Lima.
Runway 29er, clear for takeoff, do usłyszenia.
Runway 29er, do usłyszenia, 3 kilo Lima.
Vista Germany 773, contact approach 128, decimal 805. Lot 5 Papa Romeo, 350 degrees, 3 knots, runway 33, clear to land.
33 clear to land, lot 5 Papa Romeo.
Dobra. Accuracy level 1, zero Mars, at 11.
Mars at 11, lot 5.
Lot 2 Echo Foxtrot, wind 010 degrees, 6 knots, runway 33, clear to land.
Lot 2 Echo Foxtrot.
Tower, dzień dobry, Sierra Papa Alfa Romeo Golf, przedstawić Science.
Sierra Papa Alfa Romeo Golf, Country Tower, dzień dobry. 06 for Charlie Yankee, hold position, one more landing. Lot 2 Echo Foxtrot on Sierra 2, contact ground 121, decimal 905, do usłyszenia.
Ja tutaj Grand 1905, dzięki do usłyszenia, od tego Foxtrot.
Only 15, monitor tower 1 on decimal 305, dziękuję.
Continue holding point Sierra 2 and monitor tower, dziękuję, do 61.
Ground Slot 7 Kilo Golf, dobry 1035, request back.
7 kilo Golf, witam, taxi via Alpha, Sierra Delta, holding point 15.
Taxi Alpha Sierra Delta, holding point runway 15, Lot 7 Kilo Golf.
Well, 07 is possible request flight direct to Delta.
Link 07, make a backtrack and on Delta, hold short of runway 15.
Track and holding short return on the runway.
Excellent.
Alpha 2, holding point 15.
Mamy lotnisko Hotel Line Up Runway 15 and 72, możemy dzwonić?
72, dzień dobry, okręcie 1. Tak potwierdzam, możecie dzwonić w tak.
Dobry, kontynuujemy już prosto.
Continue now taxi to the left via runway 33 and vacate left Bravo 1, then switch off your engine.
Triangle Bravo, Monitor Tower 118.305, dziękuję.
Monitor Tower, dzięki, hello, Triangle Bravo.
Left 72, there's a VFR copter after departure on the east side of the airfield, proceeding to the east, wind 110 degrees, 1 knots, gusting to 1, runway 11. Descent.
Land runway 11, copy.
Transmission only 07, dzięki do miłego.
Premierze lotnictwo.
Dzień dobry, Tower, kontynuator. There's aircraft 639er, wind 100 degrees, 16 knots, runway 15, please for takeoff after departure. Proceed with Kirome X-ray, not higher than 1000. Charges.
First air call off after departure with Kirome X-ray, not higher than 1000.
User 1 Italy Foxtrot, contact ground 11905, teacher.
1905 is the one to confirm.
Taxi via Michael Scaffold is running on time.
Michael 03 Delta 2, holding point runway 15, KMH 1041, load 7 meters ready.
Runway 15, so cancel this one.
Julian Frequency Tower, hello. Delta 5 Alpha Ground. Romeo November, wind 120 degrees, 16 knots, runway 11, clear to land.
743, contact approach 13805, dziękuję, hej.
Службу безпеки аеропорту. Залишення багажу без нагляду карається штрафом або покаранням.
Dobry lot, Alfa Centura. Right, Bravo X-ray is being ready for immediate departure shortly. Yes, this is 787. 305, take question. Taking care of 2 and external 180, yes, object to make a lot of cardiac arrest. And 4, 1-1, the plan of 605, thank you. The 5071, 2 and contact random, there no chance. Ground, Prophet departure in 2.5 minutes, absolutely. Session look, yeah, 6 still goes, speed to land 110, reduce at 159. Thank you, Alpha Tower, GW, line up runway 15 at spring. Lining up runway 15 at right, sorry, Alpha GW. Just uniform to the right, distancing, time out to 7348. Wizard 5071, locating on the foot. Wizard 5071,